Our story begins as we dive into the depths of the stunning aquarium. Meet our colorful cast of characters: Sammy, the adventurous sea turtle; Lola, the playful dolphin; and Finley, the curious clownfish. Follow our friends as they explore the vibrant coral reef, home to an array of exotic sea creatures. It's time to groove. Join Sammy, Lola, and Finley as they dance with the jellyfish and sway with the seagrass in an underwater dance party. Suddenly, our friends encounter a magical seahorse who grants them a wish. What will they wish for? Inspired by their adventure, our friends vow to protect the ocean and all its inhabitants. Together, they embark on a mission to clean up the underwater world. As our journey comes to an end, we bid farewell to the stunning aquarium. But remember, the magic of the ocean will always be with you. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure in the stunning aquarium. Until next time, keep exploring and protecting our amazing oceans.